couple of quick ideas if you're low on inventory, or maybe you don't have any inventory at all, to find a way to get some inventory so that you can attract some buyers. And I'm going to give you a few different techniques. One is to borrow a listing. And borrowing listings are easier than you might think. Of course, you can borrow one from your own office mates, which is kind of a common thing to do. But you can also borrow cooperating agents' listings as well. You might target some of the top teams in your market and give them a phone call and say, hey, I'm looking to do some open houses this weekend. I noticed you have some great listings. Would you be open to allowing me to do an open house on one of your listings? You might be surprised to find that even though they have buyer's agents, that sometimes these buyer's agents are out doing some of the open houses, but if they got 30 listings and they've got 2 buyer's agents, they don't have enough manpower to do all those open houses. So that could be an opportunity. That's one opportunity. Another opportunity, which is really outside the box, is to call some for sale by owners in your market and ask them, have this script, and you say, hi, my name is Jim Remley. I'm with ABC Real Estate. Saw your house on Facebook Marketplace this morning, and I kind of have an out-of-the-box question for you, and that is this. Would you allow me to do an open house on your listing? And here's how it would work if you're open to it. I would pay for all the marketing. I'd put it out on social media. I'd put up all the signs, take all the flyers, and anybody who registers for the open house, who comes into the house, I'll give you their names, their addresses, email addresses, phone numbers, anything they provide to me. Any buyers that are interested, I'll hand them off to you. I won't charge anything. You can run with it. The benefit to me is that I'm hopefully going to pick up some buyers just because, they'll be coming into the house that, may not fit your house. The benefit to you is you might sell the house through all the marketing that I'm doing. So it's kind of a win-win for everybody. I promise you, I won't ask you for your listing. Just by using that technique, I just had one of my coaching students pick up an opportunity today from that technique. Here's another one. Another one is to look at the hot sheet this morning or tomorrow morning, and the hot sheet's going to show you in your MLS, listings that have had a price reduction. So here's what you do. You call the agents of those listings who had a price reduction, and you simply say, hey, notice you had a listing over on Johnson Street that had a price reduction this morning. What's going on with that listing? Because it looks like it's in a good neighborhood. Looks like it's fairly well priced. Looks like a nice house. What's going on? They're going to tell you their sob story about why the property maybe was overpriced or didn't sell. And then you're going to follow it up by saying, oh, I totally get it. Hey, listen, would you be okay if I put that out on my online marketing this week? I'd love to, promote it and see if I can generate some interest for you. Would you be cool with that? If you're not, that's okay too. You don't have to say yes. Almost everybody you ask that question to is going to say, absolutely, go for it. And you'll say, great, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to send you a quick text, just a CYA, so that I have it, that you said you're allowing me to put it out on my online marketing. And I'll send that over to you right now. You just CYA them. Hey, thanks for talking to me today. Really looking forward to putting this listing out on my online marketing this week. Just send me a quick confirmation that's okay. They'll send it to you, and bingo, now you can start marketing that house on Facebook, Instagram, social media of all kinds. You could also, even with their permission, put it out on Craigslist, put it on Facebook Marketplace. And the idea is you're going to use that listing as a magnet to drive traffic to you. So there's a few ideas for borrowing other people's listings in your market to generate some business for you when you're at a low inventory, even when you have some inventory, but maybe the inventory is not the best magnet for you. So try those techniques this week, see how it works for you, and have a great day. Good selling. We'll see you next time over eRealEstateCoach.com.